Hi everyone! Welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the screen timeout on your phone. If you've ever noticed that your screen turns off too quickly or stays on for too long, you can easily adjust this setting to match your needs. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for the Display option. Now, tap on Display and look for an option called Screen Timeout, Sleep, or Auto Lock. The name may vary depending on your device, but it usually appears inside the display settings. Tap on Screen Timeout, and you will see different time options like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even longer. Simply choose the time that works best for you. If you want your screen to turn off quickly to save battery, select a shorter time. If you prefer your screen to stay on longer while reading or watching something, choose a longer option. In this case, I'm going to choose 30 seconds. Once you select the new time, the change will be saved automatically, and your screen will now follow the new timeout setting. And that's it. Now you know how to change the screen timeout on your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.